Hello, welcome back for lesson number 38. I put a title called circular. Today we're going to cut the circular area of this clock. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and we will continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will copy the operation and then we will paste it for modification. Paste it and remove the profile. We want to add a new one. Create profile. OK. We select the outer area of the profile as display. Click OK. After that, we select inside because we need to cut inside on this area and we need to add a profile. By selecting the center portion, we will select this one is outside. So it's an area that we need to cut. Click OK. We want to change the tool to diameter 8 flat end mill. Tool number 2. OK. We're going to edit the parameters. Change RPM and feed rate. Change this one, the engage, we set to 2 and 2. And the retract we set to none. Change the color. Calculate. We go for verification. Yes, you can see Z is Z minus 9.5. We still have balance 0.5 for the bottom. And we click OK. Looks good. And we click OK. Perform a solid verify. You can see that there's area that is not complete. Doesn't matter. We go for analysis. Yes, there's balanced material. We want to save a cut. We want to save time. So this is why that you can see the blue color over at this area. Doesn't matter. We will leave it for the final cut. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to cut the profile. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click to hide the previous operation. Copy. At the operation, we paste. You can see that. So we want to remove the profile. And we're going to add a new one. Add. So create profile. OK. We will select the curve on the outer area. OK. You have hard time, you can zoom in. Yes, 8 curves selected. OK. This is going to be inside. Add a profile. Select the curve. OK. This is going to be outside. OK. What we're going to do is that we're going to manage the tool. D8. Flat end mill. This is 0. This is 8. To change the tool number is 2. OK. Yes. We will update the parameter. Edit. Change RPM to 800. This is 200. Nothing changed. This is 2. This is none. Display color. This one. Calculate. Looks good. Verify. Set to G54. We drag. 9.5. Looks good. OK. OK. Let us perform a solid verify. Slow down. Play. Yes, this is what we expected. Let us do an analysis. You can see that there's balanced material, especially the outer area of the circular. The outer area, I mean this is the outer area. Looks good. Close. Close. We save the file. I know that we can have improvement on this process because the time is 15.22 minutes. At the next lesson, we will improve the cutting area and we want to reduce the cycle time. Thank you for watching. I will see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.